Okay. A student's science scores are shown below. What is the mode and how does it compare to the median? If you notice, just right off the bat looking at the answers, two of the answers say the mode is 79 and two of them say it's 82. So one of those is correct, and once we get one of them we can actually eliminate two of the answers, giving us a 50-50 shot if we were to just guess, but of course we don't want to guess. So whenever we're talking about mean, median, mode, and range, you need to order these numbers. So the easiest way to do it, I kind of go through all of these and I see, oh, what's the lowest number? And I see it's 45. So I'm going to write that number down first. And I've highlighted it, so I've already gotten it out of the mix. Now the next one, let's see, I see a 63, a 65, so 63 is the next lowest. So I'm going to write that one down. Sometimes we think these are supposed to be like quick and easy, but sometimes you just got to do a little more. And don't be worried about that. That's the whole point. They are problems. So, all right, so 65 is the next one. Now I see a 74 at the end here. That's the next one. So let's write down 74. And I think 76 is going to be our next one here. 76. And then what's next? We've got an 82, 82, 82. So 82, 82, and 82. All right. Hopefully you are seeing the mode 82. And then we've got a 90 and then a 93. So we have a 90. And the last one is a 93, so we got that one taken care of. So now these are ordered least to greatest, and we can see the mode. This is how I remember mode. Mode means the number that you see the most often. The most often. Okay, so the number we see the most often is this 82. We have 3 of them, and there's no other numbers in this list that have 3 numbers. So that is our mode. 82 is our mode. So let's just write that down. So now we know A and B are not the answer. So it's got to be C or D. And then it says it's lower than the median and it's higher than the median. So now we need to find the median. And to do that, what we're going to do is cross off the number on the far right and the far left, and then we keep doing that until we get to the center. If you notice, we have 2 numbers in the center. Okay, so what we do in that case is we take the 2 numbers, we divide it by 2, and I can see if I got an 82 and a 76, those combined divided by 2 is going to be less than 82. So it's going to be lower than the median. So this should be our answer. But let's do it. Oops. 82 and 76 is 8. 8 and 7 is 15, 158. Divided by 2 is 2 times 7 is 14. And then we've got 18 left. 2 times 9 is 18. So 79 is the median. And let's reread the question again. So it says, what is the mode and how does it compare to the median? The mode, the mode is greater than, so it's good I read this again. So this is not right. It says the mode is greater than the median. So this is the answer. D is the answer. Okay, and just a little quick way I remember each of these. The median, I look at this as an I, that means middle. It's the number that's in the middle. And because we had two numbers in the middle, we had to add them and divide them by 2. The mean is the average. You're going to use this a lot, especially when you're looking at your grades. You know, so if you have 5 grades in the book, and you know, maybe a 70 and an 80 and a 90 and a 90 and a 90. So there's 5 grades there. You add them all together, you divide by 5. That is your average grade. And that's how you get your grade for class. So mean, median, mode, and then there's range or variability. I've heard it both ways, range or variability. Variability sounds good to me because it's how much do these numbers vary. And again, you've got these numbers listed from least to greatest, so we can see that pretty quick. It varies from 45 to 93, so we would take 93 minus 45, and that's going to be our range, and that'll be 8 and 4. So the range would be 48. And I don't know the average, but what you would do to find the average, you would add up all of these numbers, 3, 6, all 10 of these numbers, and then divide it by 10 to get your average. I hope this helps. One thing is 49% of the students that answered this question got it right. So this is a little more difficult question with only, you know, half the students getting it. So now you know, order all your numbers and learn your definitions. And they're not too hard once you start looking at them and start working with them. So practice this one a couple of times and you'll have it down in no time. All right, I will see you in the next one.